Hello, you're watching Proactive. Joining me is Mitchell Smith, the CEO of Global Energy Metals. Mitchell, good to speak with you today.
Excellent. Well, thanks very much for having me on here today.
You're welcome. And you're up with news today that you've raised your non-brokered offering to $650,000. That's from $500,000, and due to strong demand from investors.
Yeah, we've had a real good show of support from existing shareholders, including some of our larger shareholders in the company. Clearly it's a struggle out there right now in the junior mining space to raise funds. So having the strong support from our shareholders is excellent, and I certainly welcome others to join and investing alongside me and other directors and insiders of the company to see the company move forward.
And it must show a lot of confidence in your projects as well as your portfolio companies. So what's the funds targeted at, Mitchell?
Yeah, I mean, battery metals is something I think that's in a top story in the news. There's been a lot of emphasis being placed on the disconnect between supply and demand, and the need really for sourcing critical minerals in safe mining-friendly jurisdictions. That's certainly something that's on the top agenda for Global Energy Metals, and we've taken this partnered approach and found a very strong, well-funded, jurisdictionally skilled partners to advance some of the projects that we hold in our portfolio, and are looking to do the same with other projects that we hold directly as well.
I mean, looking at one of the projects, you had recent news out from the Millennium projects and your initial observations from recent drilling at that project. Are you encouraged?
Certainly. I mean, this is a great new discovery of graphite at a project that has predominantly been explored for copper and cobalt and gold, but it's very much in line with other projects in that Queensland Mount Isa area that do have graphite, and so this new discovery by our partner Metalbank is something that we're very excited about, and look forward to seeing them continue exploration and development of that project, both on the copper, cobalt, gold side, and now with the graphite discovery as well.
You mentioned your positions in other portfolio companies, Mitchell. How active are they at the moment?
Very, very, very active, actually. We just issued a news release not so long ago, just demonstrating the exposure that Global Energy shareholders get to these portfolio companies, and the exploration work that's being done across many fronts and across very much commodity diverse. So we're very excited to be a shareholder in these companies, and given the value held there, we think it's a significant opportunity for our shareholders as well.
So what's next then for Global Energy Metals?
Yeah, there's a few things that we're working on, and it's really about building that investment exposure to the battery supply chain, and really focusing on these key critical minerals that are in growing demand. So stay tuned. I think that there's a lot of exciting developments for the company, and given today's valuation, it provides shareholders a real opportunity for growth appreciation over the course of the next little while.
I hope you'll keep us posted on any new developments, Mitchell. Thank you very much for the update today.
Excellent. Well, thanks very much again. And again, if any questions from shareholders, I'm always open to answering those.
That's Mitchell Smith. He's the CEO of Global Energy Metals.